es el número 16. Landforms, tenemos montañas, un plateau, una valla, una costa, una bahía y un lago.
Here we wrote who was the president, and we got tied, and then the teacher did she
and we had to put papers in that little box, and who won as a president was her because she got most elections for it.
Yeah, we do this to know what are we gonna do when we are big.
Today my classmates are working on the project of their state. Chromebooks where we could find information from the books and to write it down in the Chromebooks.
For instance, if you're doing, which is my state, Georgia, I put the facts, the song, and my images of the bird and plant. I also put in my song. And as you can see, can't really see it because it's off, but I have everything I need in my computer.
In my machine, I put the tables for them to sit down.
Produce movies using green screen. Study volcanoes. Learn about California regions. Created art. And we read many books.
It's a North Dakota state bird, western meadowlark.
Aquí para más mejor, y aquí le podemos poner más detalles y hacer como que hace esto si corre rápido.
To paint it outside of the base and the flowers, we use chalk, and inside the flowers and the base, we put oil pastel.